Hello, let us learn what the meaning of place value is. The definition of place value. As students, you come across numbers in your day-to-day life, and these numbers range from 0 till forever. There are so many of them. How do we keep track of this? Is by understanding place value. What does place value mean? Let us define. Place value is the value of a digit number in a whole number based on its position or place within the number. Within the number. Let us repeat that. Place value is the value of a digit number in a whole number based on its position or place within the number. So if you have a number like, for example, 425, each of these digits have their specific place value, and there are several of them. Let us discuss common place values. Common place value. The common place values we have are the ones which include your unit, tens, and hundred. Another place value we have is the thousands. And just like we have here, we have the unit of thousands, we have the tens of thousand, and the hundred of thousand. Beyond this, we also have, after the thousands, we have what we know as millions. And just like we have here, I believe now you know what we are talking about. Here we have unit of millions, tens of millions, hundred of millions. These go on forever till infinity. Numbers are so large, there is no telling where it ends. However, it is also important that you know this. For the units, units go on from 0 to 9. So whenever you are dealing with numbers from 0 to 9, you know you are talking units. Then when we have the tens go on from 10 to 99. So numbers that fall within this range of 10 to 99 are regarded with the place value of tens. Then when we talk of hundreds, our hundreds ranges from 100 to 999. I believe you understand this now. You can then translate this into other place values like in your thousands, the millions, and so on. So that is, the unit of thousands are 1,000. For your unit of thousands, we have 1,000 to 9,999, and so on. Try this with the other place values that we have. I believe now you understand the meaning of place value. Thank you.